I've been using this gas trimmer for years and hated it. More on that in a minute. I'm changing to a Kobalt battery-powered trimmer. Here's my experience. Welcome to Tomahawk DIY, everyone. I'm Mike. Let's take a look at this gas-powered string trimmer. This is an old Homelite model, and we'll compare it with this Kobalt electric trimmer. Where I live, there was a clean air trade-in event. I got rid of my gas mower and trimmer and got this electric set at a huge discount. I'm glad I made the trade. It's quieter and works great for my yard. If you change from gas to electric, leave a comment about your experience. Would you do it again? Let's take a look at how this gas one starts and what it sounds like. Also, be sure to check out my other video with this gas mower, comparing it to an electric mower. So starting this thing, I've never been impressed with this Homelite gas trimmer. It's a pain in the neck to start. Set it to the choke, and then you push up here. This will take a very long time before it warms up enough to start. It's really loud, too. Here's the trimmer. First impressions, about the same weight as the gas trimmer. So I've never been impressed with replacing the string on this trimmer. It's kind of a pain in the neck. You can check out a video, I'll link to it, that shows how to do it. But it does work well once it's in there, bumping it and having it come out. Coming out of the box, I was really impressed that the upper and lower half of the trimmer simply snapped together. Tighten a few things to secure everything, and a few bolts to install the handle and safety guard, and it's ready to go. This Kobalt has more than enough battery power to trim the grass in my entire lawn. It's quiet, and the only noise is the string cutting the grass. No motor noise. If I needed to weed whack a large area of weeds, or of heavier weeds, I think I'd still want a gas trimmer. But for basic yard work, this Kobalt is working great. I like this guard. I like the double string trimmer here. I like the bump. Here's that cutting blade. Cut the line. I like that it's got 2 speeds, a 1 and a 2, so you can easily change it while you got your handle. The battery on this is pretty convenient. It pops out with a simple clip. Can't go in the wrong way. Put it in, you snap it in, that puts in place. It's spring loaded, so it's easy to get in and out. So, I'm glad I made the change. The electric trimmer works great for my needs. It's quieter, so I don't feel as bad when I'm doing yard work late in the evening and bothering neighbors. And it does a great job of trimming the grass. If you found this helpful, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Have a great day.